Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use your NISSAN X-Trail like EV vehicle. Let's start with the basics. NISSAN X-Trail ePower is a special type of hybrid where fuel engine does not run the wheels. In this type of car, the fuel engine acts like generator to charge battery. But we can enable EV mode of this car, thanks to which you will drive only on the electric battery. What does it mean? It means that the car will not use fuel engine and you will have limited battery level and range of the car, but the car will be quiet and also it will drive like EV. So we've got instant torque and maximum power. In order to enable this function, take a look in the center of the car. Firstly, select drive mode and next press EV button. Once the EV button is enabled, take a look in the center of the instrument cluster and we've got the EV indicator. Now the car will act as electric vehicle. It will not start the fuel engine to generate battery. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.